Cracks in the walls? Doors that don't close properly? Cracks in the window frame? Cracks on the floor? They are signs that you have serious foundation problems. At Houston Foundation Repair Company, LLC, we are experts in repair foundation. We have more than 27 years of experience helping Houston families keep their property safe and stable. This time we are helping to repair the foundation of this church. In addition to repairing foundations, we also offer services of plumbing inspection with camera. We do all kinds of exterior and interior plumbing. We make all kinds of 200 or 500-foot tunnels from one side to the other to make plumbing changes or pillar installation in case you don't want to break the ground. We have financing. We know that the foundation is expensive, but the company gives facilities. We are accredited by the BBB Better Business Bureau A+ rating. We are in the top 3 of the best foundation repair companies in all of Houston. We have all the requirements that the state requires that are insurance of more than $2 million for any accident. The company has good insurance. Each job that is done, if the client requires it, is granted a city permit, supervised by an inspector, and at the end by a structural engineer. We work throughout the state of Texas, in Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, Cypress, Conroe, Livingston, Woodlands, Spring, Missouri City, Richmond, Rosenberg, Sugarland, Katy, River Oaks, Bel Air, Mission Bend, Pearland, Pasadena, Galveston, Victoria, Texas. Our estimators are available. We grant a lifetime guarantee, transferable if the property is sold in the future. Call our office number now, 737-5593, to receive a totally free estimate.